Hello everyone! Now we will start online Japanese culture lesson 7. The topic of this lesson is the events in July. Here are a few words related to July culture. What events are taking place in July in your country? In Japan, there is a festival called Tanabata, which takes place in July. Do you know what Tanabata is? Have you also heard about the story? Tanabata is July 7. In Japan, people like Tanabata and consider it as a charming side seasonal tradition since old days. Tanabata is also called Shokujosai, Wearing Yall Festival, or Hoshi Matsuri, Star Festival. It has come down to our days thanks to the mixing of various elements, including events from China, ancient Japanese folklore, and as part of the Bon Festival. Tanabata is famous for the romantic story. It celebrates the meeting of the deities Orihime and Hikoboshi, represented by the stars Vega and Althea, respectively. According to legend, the Milky Way separates these lovers, and they are allowed to meet only once a year on the 7th day of 7th lunar month of the lunar solar calendar. Let's look at the vocabulary associated with Tanabata. This is Amano-gawa, Milky Way. Amano-gawa, Amano-gawa. The name Amano-gawa comes from the fact that the multitude of stars gathered together looks like a river. This is tanzaku, small and colorful strips of paper hung onto small trees during the Tanabata festival. Tanzaku, tanzaku. Tanzaku is a long, narrow strips of colored paper. Initially, tanzaku were used to write waka and haiku poems. But nowadays, it is said that if you write a wish in tanzaku and tie it to a bamboo branch, then the wish will come true. Now, our Japanese teacher will read Tanabata story. Please listen.
天の神様の娘、織姫はとても真面目で、毎日頑張って働いていました。ある時、織姫は牛の世話をする彦星と恋に落ちました。天の神様は織姫と彦星が結婚することを認め、二人仲のいい夫婦になりました。ところが、二人は結婚してからは遊んでばかりで、織姫も彦星も全然働かなくなってしまいました。怒った神様は、二人を天の川の西と東に引き離し、会うことを禁止しました。織姫は彦星に会えなくなったことを悲しみ、毎日のように泣いていました。神様はその様子を見てかわいそうに思い、年に一度の7月7日にだけ二人が会うことを許しました。それから毎年7月7日になると、織姫と彦星は天の川を渡って楽しい時間を過ごすようになりました。
How do you feel after hearing the story Tanabata? Next, our Japanese teacher will sing Tanabata's song.
七夕様。笹の葉さらさら、軒場に揺れる。お星様キラキラ、金銀砂子。五色の短冊、私が書いた。お星様キラキラ、 空から見てる。
Let's look at the lyrics of this Tanabata song. Sunago is a type of sand used in traditional Japanese painting and decoration. Let's read it together. Sunago, sunago. Nokiba is the edge of the roof. Let's read it together. Nokiba, nokiba. Goshiki no tanzaku means the strips of paper in 5 colors. 5 colors are blue, red, yellow, white, and black or purple. These colors are based on the ancient Chinese theory of the 5 elements yin and yang. Are there any events to make wishes in your country? Here is the summary for this lesson. The events in July. Let's read often used words together again. Tanabata, Amano-gawa, Tanzaku, Tanabata no monogatari, Nokiba, Sunago, Goshiki no Tanzaku. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you very much.